Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And today in this video, we are going to learn how you can place AMO order using RMoney Tradion app. So first of all, you have to open RMoney Tradion app and then search the stock you want to buy or sell. Tap on AMO order and fill the required information such as quantity, price, order type, etc. Then swipe on buy. Your AMO order would be successfully placed. To check the order status, go to order window and here you can see that your order has been successfully placed. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Until then, happy trading.
Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully.